Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where I teach boomers how to use tech to make their life easier. So in this video, we're going to look at your iPad, some key features that will make your iPad boomer proof. So let's check it out.
Be strong.
The first thing we want to look at is we want to get the display and the fonts to the proper size. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to display and brightness. Now here you have several options that you can choose from. When you start with the appearance, you can make it light or you can make it dark, or you can go to automatic, which means that will give you the option to make it light until sunlight if you so choose. So you go here and you click on this, and then you set it from sunrise, from sunset to sunrise, or you could set it on a custom schedule if you wanted to, and you set the time from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. All right, so I'll just basically leave it from sunrise to sunset. The next thing you want to do is you want to look at your brightness. Now, in order to adjust that, you just simply slide from left to right, and that will increase the brightness. If you want your tones to adapt to your environment or your surroundings, then you click on True Tone. And what that does, it gives it a more realistic appearance, and is consistent based upon the environment that you are in. As we scroll down, the next thing we want to look at is the text size. So you scroll down here and you go to text size. Now what this does is this increases the size of the text on your screen. So you go from left to right, and you take it up to whatever you want it to be as far as your text size is concerned. So I generally leave mine about there. Let's go back. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your text is set to bold, and this again will help you to be able to distinguish your text. So you set it to bold, and you see how now the text is more pronounced and easier to see. And the final thing that you want to check on zoom. So you go here, and what this does is you have two settings. The standard setting will basically make the icons and the display smaller. The zoom setting will of course make it larger. If you notice here, you see the icons are much bigger than they are on the standard mode. Okay, and then you would push set, and then you would be ready. So that's how you increase the display, the brightness, your text, and your display. So now let's make some sound adjustments. Let's see how we can make it where you can hear as well as see. So you go tap settings, then you go and you tap down to sound. Now when you tap your sound, you have different options that you can have. You have where you can select your ringer and alerts. You can increase the sound on that to whatever you would like. I generally keep mine about halfway. Now, sound for different applications that you have on here. For example, you can have a ringtone, your text tone, when your mail come in, when you send mail, calendar alerts, reminders, and even airdrops. Now, all of those you can select whichever sound that you would like to have for those by simply tapping on it. Okay, so now we're going to see how to make the home screen, the icons on the home screen, even bigger. And what you do is you go to settings, and then you go to home screen and dock. Tap on it. Now you got more, which means it will give you more icons on the screen, or you have bigger. So you select bigger. Now as we go back, you'll notice you have less icons on the screen, but you also have bigger icons. So this has been a quick tutorial showing you how to boomer-proof your iPad. If you found value in this tutorial, please hit that like button, ring the bell, share this video, comment, but most of all, come back for my next video. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thank you for watching the Baby Boomers Tech Show. See you in the next video.